connected to rider support. This call may be recorded for quality assurance.
Hello, this is Jay with Waymo. I'm just calling in just to request to buckle your seatbelt for your safety.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right.
Thank you. Where are you?
I'm doing it right now. Okay, I'm buckled in.
All right, thank you for complying. That's all for me. Have a good day. Goodbye.
Bye.
Yes, man. Yes, 1,000 times yes. I am so glad. Oh my goodness. Like all of that ratchet, ugh. I don't know, man. That stuff just make my doggone stomach crawl. Like I cannot stand when you got them people that's out here just being loud and ghetto. Like you can't act civilized. You in these doggone people's car cutting the freak up. First of all, I'm trying to figure out why the heck is the music that loud in the first place? Like, what the heck are we doing? I damn sure hope that they don't do that in the doggone them Tesla car. What are those things called? Them new Tesla car that drive by themselves. It's like a Tesla cab or whatever. But shout out to the young man that called in, man, and calmed all that mess down. Ma'am, listen. You're not gonna do that here. Hey, you're more than welcome to take your own car and do that in your own car. But you're gonna act like you got some mother loving sense up in here. Put your seatbelt on, because you're not being safe. Put your seatbelt on, sit back, chill, and enjoy the ride like a civilized adult. We don't do that around here. Dang, boy. That's what you call. I know a lot of people be talking about karma and stuff like that. I don't really, talk about. I don't know. I don't really talk about karma like that. But that right there was right on mother loving time, boy. Good night. Whew. We got to get rid of these ghetto folks, man. Or we got to get them to understand. Like, listen, when you go out in public, behave yourself. Like, at least act like you got some home training. Dang. And the bad thing is, she's going live or she's recording this mess. You think that stuff make you look cute with that blonde wig on, man? I'm tired of it. I'm tired of this.